Well, here I am, sitting in the 5 o'clock rush hour traffic in Orange City. I brought my guitar back up to have a guy take a look at it. I made the video the other day about my 3 pickup Les Paul with the 6 position switch in it and everything. And you can see that anytime I switched to something involving the bridge pickup that I wasn't getting any output, you know. So I took it up to the guy. I met him at his little shop, and I said, yeah, watch, now it's going to work fine, you know. And he took off the back plates. Nothing looked wrong. He took off the one, though, where the controls were, and he did say, okay, well, maybe this one wire here, maybe it's like, you know, doing something strange. Just wiggled it around, moved it a little. Then we plugged it back in to the amp. Everything worked perfectly, you know. Then we put the back plate back on and double checked it. He said maybe if something, you know, happens again, maybe tape up that one wire. Though there shouldn't be really an issue since it's got a plastic back plate, you know, there's no metal on it. So I don't know what the deal was. I don't know why I was just too stupid to just unscrew the back plate myself and wiggle some stuff around. So now I'm up here. Of course, I did stop at Mi Tierra, which I'm driving by right now. Got my buy one, get one free take-home burritos. So it's not too bad. I'll have some food to eat this weekend from my burritos. But that was it. That's how I solved the problem with my guitar. Just wiggled a wire. So I'm supposed to take it back home now and report back to him, plug it in and report back to him and make sure everything is functioning as it should. I'll have to make another video now and demonstrate my fully capable guitar.